Here's a quick way to make masks at home. Since now everyone's got to wear them pretty much, which I think most people kind of knew but just weren't doing. And obviously there's no N95s out there, so this is a quick way to make them at home. And it's not all my idea. I got some ideas from different links on YouTube and just kind of combined them to make my own idea. But anyway, take a bandana, fold it in thirds. If it's for a child, you can fold it in quarters. And then some people were using coffee filters, which I heard a while ago. I thought that was a pretty decent idea because something's better than nothing. But then a doctor and his wife started making them at home, and he said these you could cut a HEPA vacuum cleaner bag and use the filter from there, which actually catches a lot of the airborne stuff. So anyway, you get that, and whatever you want to filter it with, put that in there, fold it up, that, there you go. And then what you want to do at the this is going to be the top, take a pipe cleaner, or sometimes you have those metal clips from like in the office for office folders and stuff, but put one of those in there. This is a pipe cleaner, and then this will help tighten it around the nose. If you don't have them, I guess you can get away without it. So, you know, then just got regular pony holders for girls' hair or whatever. Pop them in there to whatever size you need. What's great about this too is you can wash it every day, put a new filter in, not have to keep worrying about buying them. You can adjust it to a child, and then you can wash it every day too. All right, so you put that where you need it, fold it over like so, and there's no sewing involved, which is great. Boom, like that. There you go. And up. Boom. Everyone see? There it is. Done.